everyone, and we go on our educational video series. Today we move on with the topic raised in the previous video, filtering elements by type. Today we will show you a short demo on the topic. And as a short reminder, a diagram we formed during our previous video. As you see, our goal is to iterate through the model elements and to filter out the ones that fit our type-based criteria. In this demo, we will show you how to perform filtering either by exact type or by a keyword. The choice will determine the methods that will be used in the demo. For our demo, we will take our IFC dumper example as a base and modify it. Luckily, we do not need to modify the project settings, and we do not need to introduce additional include directives. We just need to modify the application code itself. Now, let us move on with the modification. First of all, like in our previous demos, we disable the progress meter output to make the output more readable. After this, we remove almost all the code lines in the loop except for the step call. After this, we append the entity pointer to represent the current entity in the loop. Next, inside the loop, we use the iterator to obtain the ID and use the ID to get the current entity. Next, check whether the entity is not null. Now, let us obtain the type name of the entity as a string and also obtain the type of the entity as the OD IFC entity type enumeration item. Next, let us introduce the condition, and that will be a precise condition. We'll compare the type with the OD IFC vault standard case enumeration item. If the condition is true, let us output the type name of the entity, just for demo purposes. Let's build the modified application and let us run it. As you see, there are no surprises, and we get 4 OD IFC vault standard case strings. Next, let us modify the condition and make it a keyword condition. We'll use the value returned by the type name to search for the keyword val. Again, let us build the application and let us run it. As you see, our condition became less strict, and thus we see an additional string in the output of our demo example. And that is all for today. Thank you very much for watching.